Investors were also tracking the path of Hurricane Irma, which has killed 8 people on the Caribbean island of St. Martin. Irma will become the second major hurricane to hit the U.S. mainland in as many weeks after Hurricane Harvey, which claimed about 60 lives and caused property damage estimated as high as $180 billion in Texas and Louisiana. Harvey also boosted U.S. jobless claims to more than 2-year high. At 9:39 a.m. ET, 13:39 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up points, or percent, at 21, and the S&P 500 was up points, or percent, at 2,467.8. The Nasdaq Composite was up points, or percent, at 6. Wall Street rebounded on Wednesday after President Donald Trump agreed to pass an extension of the U.S. debt limit until December 15, potentially avoiding an unprecedented default on U.S. government debt. "We have a confluence of variables coming in together, creating greater uncertainty and may lead to a choppy market," Bacco said. Key Federal Reserve policymakers scheduled to speak on Thursday include Cleveland Fed head Loretta Mester, New York Fed Chief William Dudley, and their Kansas City counterpart Esther George. 7 of the 11 major S&P indexes were higher, with the telecommunication index's percent rise leading the advancers. MasterCard rose percent, providing the biggest boost to the S&P, after the payments processor forecast higher full-year revenue. Rival Visa was also up 1.3%. GoPro jumped percent after the action camera maker said it expected to be profitable on an adjusted basis in the third quarter. RH surged more than 40% after the upscale furniture retailer raised its full-year earnings forecast. FireEye rose percent in after Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock to overweight. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,507 to 964. On the Nasdaq, 1,147 issues rose and 1,140 fell.